Good afternoon. My name is Smita Jacob and I am the accommodation faculty at UEI Pune. Today I am going to give you a demonstration on bed making. Okay. Before that, let me tell you, there are four major departments or four operational departments in a hotel. They are front office, housekeeping, food and beverage service, and food production. I'll be making a morning bed for you. I'll be showing you a demonstration of how a bed making is done during the day. Every hotel throughout all world has to do their bed making at least once in a day. That is the standard procedure followed in hotels throughout the world. So today I'm going to show you a morning bed. Morning bed first starts with stripping off all the old linen. I've already removed all the used linen. Then comes is dusting the bed board. Okay, the bed frame has to be dusted properly before we start, and then arrange the mattress protector. The mattress protector has to be firmly put over the mattress. This helps to keep the mattress in place. It protects the mattress from any spills and also gives a cushioning effect to the guest. Over this mattress protector goes your bed sheets. I will first start with the first bed sheet. The first bed sheet is the bed sheet which goes over the mattress. Okay, always check to make sure that the side which has the stitch should be down and the side which does not face, which we call it as the good side, should be facing the customer. Now standing from one side, I'll be making this bed. Make sure that the sheet is evenly fallen over the mattress. You can just follow the center line. Now we go towards the head side and tuck the bed sheet inside. Then we come down and tuck it at the foot side also. Then we do something called as the miter. When we are doing a miter, the main purpose of the miter is to make sure that the bed is firmly fixed on, the mattress is firmly fixed on the bed. You should get this V fold and then tuck the mattress inside. The same way we will be doing on all four sides. Now comes the second bed sheet. The second bed sheet goes upside down. So the stitch side will be facing upwards and the clean side would be facing downwards. Follow the same pattern. Make sure that the center alignment of the bed sheet is there and is followed properly. Now make sure that your second bed sheet only comes to the edge. Okay, you don't have to tuck the second bed sheet in. The second bed sheet only has to come till the edge of the bed. Now comes the blanket. Okay, the blanket, the label of the blanket should be always facing downwards and towards the foot side. Open the blanket and spread it across the mattress. Follow the center line and make sure you leave a 5 centimeter distance from the edge of the mattress. This is basically to make a head fold. Make sure your mattress is evenly spread, leaving a 5 centimeter gap from the head of the mattress. Now comes the final bed sheet, which we also call as the crinkle sheet or the night spread. Now this night spread is spread evenly with the good side facing top and the stitched side facing downwards. Spread this bed sheet over the blanket. And in the same way the first bed sheet's pattern is followed, get it to the edge of the mattress. Make sure it is evenly spread from every side. Follow the center symmetry. Now we are going to do what is called as the head fold. We take the first, the second bed sheet, the blanket and the night spread and make the head fold. The head fold should be almost 8 inches width and should be tucked nicely inside the mattress. The same way we will follow the other side. Now we have tucked and made the head fold. Now we will come to the edge or the foot side of the bed to tuck the mattress inside. Take all the bed sheet and the blanket and tuck it inside the mattress. Make sure that it is properly tucked in. And then we will mitre taking the bed sheet, the blanket and the second bed sheet. Remember, the first bed sheet is already tucked in. And make sure it is evenly tucked in. The same way we have tucked the other side. So now our bed is made. Now we have to put the pillowcases. Take the pillow and the pillowcase, pinch the pillow, take the pillowcase and push the pillow inside the pillowcase. Make sure you keep the pillow and the pillowcase away from your body. The same way you can follow with the other pillow. Make sure that the open edge of the pillow should always face downwards, and if it is in a twin bed, okay, it will face towards the inside. Okay, so the first pillow goes here. The second pillow with the open side follows it. We will then place the cushion. This is basically more for decorative purpose. The final part is the runner. The runner adds color to the entire bed. In this way, we complete our morning bed.